Friends, it's Milan Tripura. Once again, I'm back to the channel. So today in this video, we're gonna play footballs with my mates, and we are collecting right now money. Hey, so yeah, we're back. So this video will be interesting, and yeah, keep it watching, guys, and don't skip the video. And this is one school area grounds. So I'm gonna show you one by one. Come here, Tintong. Say your name.
My name is Milan Tripura.
Okay. Here another friend.
It's me, Milan Tripura.
Tell your name.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Okay. This is Omid. And here, all my friends. This is opposite Ting Tong. And here also Mamu. And this one Young Dakotot. Yeah. Today we have special match. Keep on watching, guys, and till watch till the end. So yeah, and don't, if you're near, please keep subscribe. Okay, takuman iriang. Hai tongo bonokisa interview nang tabok. Sorry. Oh sorry, Lucky Sura. Are kok sorry. Viewers ni ba oi. Huh? This is already married. Don't laugh, guys. He already married. And right now another guy is coming. He is from Sasrempari. Tripura. Yeah. Right now is. Tabok khela shuru hone hoga. I don't know. 60 FPS. So the players are practice right now. They are just enjoying with their football. Take a look. This is Bale. Oh my God! Hey Bale! Hey, welcome back to my camera. Hi, say hi. Quick. Okay, Bale. So they are enjoying with the balls. I'm here to show you guys. Yeah. Mr. Samuel Tripura, captain. And this is like juniors versus senior. We are junior are playing right now. That Kanat, and my team is here, like my mate, classmate. Yeah, and once this guy is running, he's from Tripura. All are practicing football. Today will be interesting, guys. Yeah. They'll look views. This is what. Oh, now quite loud. Moke takumani captain. Oro Faizak. I'm Burian Kokumaya Keba. Yeah. This is the view, guys. Yeah, keep on watching. So I'm moving to junior size. Hey, this is junior. No captain there. Huh? No captain there. Sagot. Oh, sorry. No captain there. What is your name?
My name is Tripura.
Oh, you're captain. Yeah. Okay. This is junior, and this is seniors. My team. Today we're gonna play. Oh yes. Okay. And I don't know. Okay. This is. I don't know your name. Play. Okay. Play quick. Yeah. I don't know their name properly, so I cannot ask their name. So I beg to watch him right now again. Yeah. Once again, for the section, all the players right over here, and Mr. Bangro right over here. Yeah. Now it's gonna be staying. Now we'll start football. Ding dong. And this is Bro. They are playing now. This is my team. So I don't know they will be win or not. Today, let me see who will be win. Yeah, just keep on watching this and don't skip the video. Please like, comment down below. Yeah. So they are taking decisions right now for the football match. I'm gonna show you. Take a look, guys. They are just planning about technique, like idea giving and sharing to the players and all my mates. Yeah, guys. Carry for you. Junior is very much stronger than senior. Takuma has lost the ball again. Wow, ting tong. Wow, nice. Sendaroni Mahang. The losers, senior are loser today. Takuma ni riang bai. Hey, tani sen chale. Oh, 5,000 winner. Hey, rang phung de. Hai pelan. Mala akawang ni nayok. Oh, rang mana. Oh, 100 ri jau ga patana. 200. Oi, hansila phai de. Hansila phai de. Morau ha Chennai rong ni mahang. Ang nayani sile ba. Yo, burang zak, augment of Kazawai Kamadia. Senior Senzak, Roha Senzak ni Mahang Rock, Junior White Taze and a rock. About rank like the one. Senzak. So the video will be in right now, guys. We are loser mess. We have lost 3,000. We are playing for 6,000 and we lost 3,000 now. We're gonna give the money to the junior students. That's how junior. So we are. The match will be in finally. So the vlog will be in right now. Thank you guys watching my video. Boleh. Dia balai naik sirang beres, jatuh makan kisah salai naik. Bang Bro, Betan ni saya blok saya. Are. Salai naik, orang Takuma ni. Ini orang siapa mah? Hari kamu hari tu. Hari, tatari. Michael, Zolai beri, hari sanjat tatari deh. Tatari ya. Good. Bang Bro ni Bhopani bai, Shiru. Acha. Mau pengen. Oh, yes, ini ketemu le.